Hey, what's going on, everyone around the world? Thank you so much for being here. This is Robert speaking, and this is my first video in my YouTube channel, Robert Acevideo. I'm really happy about this project because I've been dreaming with this moment since probably 2 years ago. Just let me tell you that right now I'm in Santa Ana, and I'm going to go to a little town in El Salvador. Its name is Candelaria de la Frontera, and in today's video I'm going to show you how this highway is. A couple of things about me. I'm a Salvadoran journalist. I started to study English a couple of years ago, and nowadays my situation is a little bit strained because this is not my best moment speaking English. However, I told to me, hey, I have to start a project in English because this is the best way for improving my skills when I'm speaking in English. Honestly, right now I don't have enough time for being studying, for being learning new words, but I'm going to enjoy this project, and I'm really sure that you are going to enjoy my project too, because I like to visit the whole country. El Salvador is a little bit small. However, for arriving to each town is a little bit difficult because, you know, the highway sometimes is really good, but in other places the road is a little bit bad. And I only have right now this little machine, the Yamaha FZ2.0. I bought this motorcycle almost 1 year ago because it was April 2024 when I decided to buy it. I was dreaming with my own motorcycle since probably 8 or 10 years, and out of the blue I took the decision. I went to Santa Ana and I told me, this is the day, Robert. So I have been enjoying all the process because I started to see videos for learning to ride motorcycle, and my experience is really good. Right now my opinion is I'm going to have a motorcycle my whole life, because when I'm riding I'm really happy. I'm enjoying the road, I'm enjoying the views. I can feel that I'm flying. I feel that the world is mine. And this opportunity I'm showing you this beautiful highway is a little bit new. A couple of years ago it was really bad. You felt like you were driving or riding on the moon, but nowadays the situation is really different because the highway is nice. Probably this is only 6 or 7 years, and the environment is pretty nice. Hey, I know that you are gonna listen a lot of mistakes when I'm speaking, but just let me a little bit of time. I'm gonna improve my pronunciation, I'm gonna improve my knowledge, I'm going to be really fluency again. A couple of years ago I was speaking really nice, but right now I have a couple of customers. I'm working in a hotel, and sometimes I'm speaking with native speakers They come from United States and they stay in my hotel. It's not my hotel, but I'm really happy because I'm working in a place like that. But I just want to tell you that sometimes I don't have enough time for being speaking in English with anybody. So this project is going to be amazing because I can show you everything. I'm going to study for giving nice information, and it's going to be pretty nice. For example, right now I'm looking at this and I don't remember how to say it in English, but this place is for creating electricity using the natural light, the sun. If you know how to say this in English, please, your help is going to be really nice for me. Hey, I have to do a lot of homework, but it doesn't matter. I'm really happy. I'm really happy while I'm riding my motorcycle, and I'm really happy while I'm riding my motorcycle and showing you how the Salvador is. I'm really happy because this is a really beautiful kilometer 76 Kia Soul. Probably the Kia Soul is the most popular car around Santa Ana. Would you like to know what's the name of this place? This is Santa Adela, or probably Ayutica, I don't remember exactly. Wow, I was really fast. Yes, this place is Santa Adela. And right now I'm in Ayutica. Candelaria de la Frontera is really near to Santa Ana. There are something like 19 or 20 kilometers, and in a couple of minutes you are going to be in a new place. This is a really beautiful view. This volcano is really famous. It's Ilamatepec volcano, the highest volcano around El Salvador, and the oldest volcano in El Salvador too. Right now it's active, and if you want to go to the top, you can do it, only paying $3 if you are a Salvadoran guy. But if you are from another country, the trip is $6. Hey, I have a YouTube channel in Spanish too, and I'm showing you how the situation is in this volcano. And talking about volcanoes, in front of me is the smallest volcano around El Salvador. Is Singuil volcano. The most popular name is El Cerrón because it's a really big mountain. I did hiking there a couple of years ago too, and let me tell you that for arriving to the top is really difficult. Just for give you a little example, arriving to the top of Ilamatepec volcano is easier than arriving to the top of Singuil volcano. It's really nice. Right now I'm in El Cerrón and I'm enjoying the trip. I'm in El Cerrón and I'm enjoying the trip. I like to visit the whole El Salvador for showing how that situation is improving around. There is El Porvenir. El Porvenir is another little town, and in that road is a little bit bad because there are a lot of sand, rock, ground. It's not a beautiful highway like this, but it doesn't matter. I love riding those kind of roads, and I'm going to give you a promise. Probably in a couple of days, in a weeks, in a month, I'm going to visit El Porvenir for showing you how El Porvenir is right now. Would you let us see a YouTube video about El Porvenir? Just type some comment, my friend. Would you like to know how the situation is in a special place in El Salvador? Just type, and I'm going to show you how the situation in El Salvador is. Again, sorry if you're hearing a lot of mistakes when I'm speaking, but I'm starting my train again, and my dream is being a native speaker, probably, but you know, this is a little bit difficult, but it's not impossible. Hey, my goal is only communicate. Hey, my goal is only communicating. I know that a lot of people is gonna laugh about me. A lot of people are gonna be doing jokes about my pronunciation, but it doesn't matter. I'm really happy. I'm really happy because I'm doing this project, because this project is a reality, because I finished to dream and my project is starting. A couple of things about me again. When I was around 12 years old, I used to listen radio, and I started to dream, hey, wow, being a journalist is the coolest profession in the world. Someday I'm gonna be a journalist. Someday I'm going to work in a radio. Someday I'm going to work in a television channel. I never had the opportunity. Hey, but right now you don't have to work in a TV channel if you want to communicate. Probably I didn't have the opportunity because I didn't want to travel to San Salvador every single day. From my little town to San Salvador, there are 80 or 85 kilometers. Driving is something like 2 hours. Traveling by bus is something like 3 or 4 hours. And I didn't want to leave my little town. So I started to create, and nowadays I'm really proud about my skills. Nowadays I'm really proud about it, and everything is cool. The name of this place is, let me remember, Singwil. It's a poor area, but it's really nice. It's really beautiful. If you want to live in peace, if you want to sleep good, there are a lot of trees. The situation is really nice. Everybody knows you. You know everybody. El Salvador is a really beautiful country. However, we need to improve a lot of things. The economy is a little bit bad. It's growing, but we still have a couple of troubles. Many people are traveling to the United States looking for a better lifestyle. And it's nice. You're not a tree. You are a human. You are a human. You have your legs. You can walk. You can run. You can travel. You can move. If you don't like your house, you can walk looking for another house. The world is really big. There are a lot of opportunities around the world. Look for right, and you are going to find gold. Now I'm finally in Candelaria de la Frontera. The name of this place is Amate Blanco. The entrance is right there. And for arriving to the Central Park in Candelaria de la Frontera, you are going to wait something like 100 years because we don't have a Central Park right now. But for arriving to Candelaria de la Frontera in the central area, it's really near. I'm talking about 5 minutes or 10 minutes, something like this. I didn't know that making motovlog was really nice, really relaxed. Woo! I'm enjoying it. I'm really happy doing it. Subscribe to my channel, type a comment, share this video with a friend, and tell me in the comments, hey Robert, Acevideo, I let us see a video about San Antonio Pajonal, for example. Ask me things. I'm going to give you really nice videos. Just type in the comments, hey Robert, when are you going to come to Guatemala, for example? When are you going to come to Esquipulas? When are you going to come to Armenia? When are you going to come to Ataco, for example? I want to travel around the world. Just let me time. Just let me time. Hey, I was talking about things about me. I started to study communication when I was really younger than right now. Yesterday I was younger than right now, but I was 18 years old when I decided to go to the university, and I started to study communication, and I knew really nice friends like Edgardo Olmedo, Sergio Rego, Manuel Escobar. A lot of really nice friends, really talented guys. Now they are doing really nice projects too. Caserío Ojo de Agua. Hey, when I'm speaking in Spanish, I'm speaking really good. This is the local bus 236 from Santa Ana to San Cristobal port. And I'm forgetting everything, but just let me time, just let me time. Just give me a little bit of time. Sorry, wow. This is a really big mistake, sorry. My shirt was white, but right now it's gonna be black. I'm really happy because I'm riding. I'm really happy because I'm riding my bike. I'm really happy because I'm riding. I'm really happy because I'm riding my bike. I went to Santa Ana and right now I'm arriving to Candelaria. I'm really happy because it's noon and I'm going to eat a really delicious lunch. This is Candelaria de la Frontera, and the situation in this little town is really beautiful, is really nice. I was born here a couple of years ago, and it's really quiet. If you want to live in peace, Candelaria de la Frontera is a really nice option because we don't like to have enemies. Candelaria de la Frontera is a really nice option because it's really quiet, it's not perilous. You can be walking around the town at 2 a.m. and it's not going to be any trouble. So my friends, this is Candelaria de la Frontera, and it was my trip. Hey, if you like my video, leave a like, type a comment, subscribe, share this video with a friend. Thank you so much for coming, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.